This content quickly walks you through on how to share video from Facebook to WhatsApp. The first step is to open your Facebook mobile application. So swipe up and tap on Facebook. Once the Facebook app opens, navigate to the video you want to share with people on WhatsApp. Alright, in this case, I want to share this particular video with someone on WhatsApp. So the next step is to tap on the share button. Alright, on doing that, you will see some options. Select WhatsApp. If you're not finding WhatsApp as one of the options here, please, you may need to drag towards the left or tap on more to see the WhatsApp application and select it. But in this case, I have it as one of the options here, so I will tap on it. On tapping on that, you'll be shown some contacts on your WhatsApp. So scroll until you get to the WhatsApp you contact or user that you want to send it to and tap on the name. So in this case, let me send to my third MTN. Then that contact will be selected and you will see the link. So the next step is to tap on the send button. With this video is now sent to this contact. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including social media. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.